understand how busy family life can be, which is why the Family Life book has everything you need to stay on top of family organisation and avoid clashing schedules once and for all. Spiral bound so the diary opens fully and lays flat, it's simple to keep track of your plans using the week to view layout. And with 7 columns, there's space for the whole family as well as room for meal ideas. Note key appointments with the colourful reminder stickers and add your must-dos to the weekly to-do list. You can keep track of your busy schedule with a clear overview of the month ahead, so you have more time to spend doing the things that you love. Perforated shopping list, make sure you don't forget that key ingredient. And dedicated budget pages help to keep every aspect of your life in order. Rest assured that your most important contacts will always be close to hand, whilst the ribbon page markers make navigating through your plans easier than ever before. With your plans safely secured inside, the Family Life book is always ready for your next adventure.